help me. No opinion can't save me. No opinion can't guide me. It is what it.
Yeah, man, you know hear what Queenie just say. So all the people them who say them a give Queenie advice, yeah, Queenie say no advice can't help her, you see it. You know, make no sense to she, you see me? Yeah, man, right now she there just a brag and a talk about her party later on, you see me? And she a say she no want nobody give her no advice and she not gonna no live with nobody, you see it. So on the depend. Welcome back to Sandy and Bones TV, the next banger from Queenie, you see it.
Yeah, taking the money I spend on Queenie. No opinion can't help me. No opinion can't save me. No opinion can't guide me. It is what it is. And still it's not what it's. But spending the money for me. Investing on the Queen. Investing on. You know, I said a comment. Hello? Flowers then. Give the lady flowers. Pick me
It's not mine to pick.
It's not yours to pick. You're not going to get in trouble. The man right. The man right with the crab spear. I bear me can have to watch it. Alright, here I go now. I know so to say. Him gone, the man gone. Yeah, they're up in my cool here, I don't know the flavor. No, go and leave me alone, my hot girl. Shoulda, coulda, if, beef, cliff, leaf. You know, come spending the money for me, I come this Friday. I mean, I'm ready to take. I don't know for to come spending the money with the Queen. Too much talking now. Actions speak louder than word, okay? Too much talk. Oh no, wait for me come cuss. And explain to her. When I kiss out the last part of him, and I explain nothing to. It is what it is. Anything I want to say, go. Queenie, keep up party. God, I'm going to take the piss out of me. So I'm taking back the piss. Blessed love, yeah? Feel nice, strong man, come lift me up. Ready, wait. Ready, you reach over yet? Come ready, we have shit to do, girl. What the heck? Anyway, I cut out the liberty, as I'm dangerous, liberty, you don't take with me, I'm laughing, you know, with my own life. We just laugh. So right now, when I forgot start paying me, when I send me some flowers, send me like a gift bun. When I need to start when I so much things got through, it's like every week is a different drama. And I've been tested, I'm still strong. So right now, if I clad pay me. You understand me now? Pay me for free. Let's pay stupid. Pay the Queen to be crazy. Pay the Queen to be never lazy. Pay the Queen to be pay the Queen to be awful. Pay the Queen to be awful. Pay the disgusting. Pay the Queen for girl power. Pay the Queen for love. Pay the Queen for be mighty. Pay the Queen to be powerful. Pay the Queen to be a warrior. Pay the Queen to reign. I am a queen. I have to in. However dare you not think you can dim my light. I God alone and me can dim my light. This is a natural thing. You hear that? Can't dim. Me all over the free. The good, the bad, and the ugly. I'm still standing with that smile. You say the day that tell the smile. Smile wide. Hello. So much fun I get. And keep your face at rest. Raise your hands to the one. And you love the best. I love me the best. So right now, the thing I change up. You see the one back cussing by internet and go on bad and all of them something. I'm not gonna start paying for my talent now. When I get too much free beef and free right. And when I get free right enough time my mouth kind of dry. I mean I beg one to buy more champagne or a shot of drink. So you see now the thing I got change up. When I disrespect, man, I got pay me for this, man. When I not get no more, this make me pay me for this. You understand? You can't get so much this. And this one shoes I was selling for £670 and I can't buy it. I have to wait for buy it. And now this, my pay me for this, my dirty, ugly, nasty germ. Nasty me up and germs me up, then something coming in my pocket. But right now I'm ashamed. Right now, this is how I go on. You understand? I have to walk and mask my face because I'm ashamed. So, what am I have to do for come out of the shame? It's when I start paying. Understand? Yeah. I don't like the drama, I don't. If me there have talk something positive and then I look, you know. When I want to see my skin up, when I wait for my skin up, but guess that's the good thing with me. When I can't predict me, I'm unorthodox. I'm full of chat, I'm not take it back. Yeah, I'm unorthodox. When I can't study, I'm going to cock up on the cheese. Come on, I mix up to more than woman, you know. The man, them dangerous. Because it's true, them not and them have. Yeah, that is the saga about this. When a guy drop down and sit on the weight, put one on head. You know, yeah, man, Queenie, come live. When I can't program me not take breath. I know that from my own spirit. Queenie, what's going on? Question sign. Queenie, what's going on? I don't know. Queenie, me not have a clue. What that about? A wise man. Hungry Queen could I do that? Mr. That world, I sure know when good girls say good girl are good. When you're a teeth girl, try to be a teeth girl. Free. When I get up here for a beer this, not beer this, that's a little this invited. It's alright. It made me feel relevant. I think that. I don't even remember that word in Bellevue, don't. When I want me telling you which part Queenie there? Oh no, Boston Road at Dalston. I don't come live with nobody. Nobody don't ask me no question. I don't record this. I don't record this. I don't record this. I don't record this. I don't record. Eh? That's some of them. Nothing to do with something to them. Alright, man. You know what I mean? When someone married and somebody you should do this or you should do